Good morning, dear students. How are you? It's me, Iqbal, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you word problems from equal sharing. From our third chapter, equal sharing. Okay, let's go to the question. There's a question in your textbook that is Raju, Rahim, and Benny did a job together and got 860 rupees. How much would each get if this equally divided? Okay, question once again I am reading. Raju, Rahim, and Benny did a job together and got 860 rupees. Then how much would each get if this is equally divided? Okay, how we will start? At first we have to write what is given there. That is, you may write, I'm doing some correction. Instead of 860, let's write 960. Okay, then first step, total amount they got. How much rupees they got in total? That is 960 rupees. That is given there. At first you have to write what is given. You may write that at first. Total amount they got, that is 960 rupees. Then how many member is there? Number of workers. How many is there? That is Raju, Rahim, and Benny. 3. Ready? Then what is the question? How much would each get? Then each will get. So each will get how much rupees? That is 960 divided by 3. We have to divide the total amount among the 3 persons. We have to divide the total amount among that 3 persons. That is 960 divided by 3. How can do? Rupees. How can do? At first we have to draw a line. Then you may write 960 divided by 3. Then first step, let's check how many 3's are there in 9. That is 3. Then you have to sing that song. 1 3 equal to 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9. How many 3's are there in 9? That is 3. 3 is equal to 9. Then next step, say draw a line. Next step, subtract. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Next step, down that 6. This 6 down. I'm downing that 6. You may draw that line now. Okay. Then let's check how many 3's are in this 6. How many 3's are in this 6? That is 2. 2 3 is equal to 1 3 is 3. 2 3 is equal to 6. Next step, draw a line. Ready? Watch it carefully. Next step, subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. Next step, down that 0. Which 0? This one. Okay, this 0. This we are. Okay. Then how many 3's are there in 0? How many 3's are there in 0? That is 0 3. 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Then draw a line. Then subtract. Then 0 minus 0, 0. There's nothing to down, so let's stop it now. Then what is the answer? 320 is equal to 320 rupees will get for each one. 300 rupees will get for them. It is the final answer. Let's draw 2 lines. Okay, let's go to the next question. that is this one. The perimeter of a square garden is 884 meter. What is the length of a side? As it's a square, how many sides for a square? That is 4 sides, 4 equal sides, that is square. Okay, let's start from given. What is given? The perimeter of square garden. Let's write that first. Perimeter of square garden is equal to, how much is given there? That is 884 what rupees? No, meters. 884 meter. Then how many sides for one square? That is number of sides is equal to 4 sides. Then each side will, so each side will, how much will be there? 884 divided by 4. 884 divided 4. Let's do, draw a line. 884 divided by 4. Then at first we have to check how many 4s are in 8. That is 2. 2 4 is equal to 8. You have to study the table. Next step, draw a line. Next step, minus, subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Next step, down this 8. Which 8? This 8. Next step, how many 4s are in that 8? That is 2. 2 4 is equal to 8. Next step, draw a line. Next, subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Next step, down that 4. Okay, you have to study these steps. Down which 4? That 4. Then how many 4s are in 4? 1. Where will we write that? Above. 1 4 is equal to 4. Then draw a line. Then subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. Is there anything to down? No. So let's stop it now. Then where is the answer? 221. So that's equal to 221 what? Rupees? No. Meter will be the, in A side will be 221 meter. Okay, it is the final answer. So you have to write, you have to draw 2 lines. Let's go to the next question. Third question. 856 rupees was spent by 4 friends for a trip. They are going a trip. How many friends are there? 4 friends. How many rupees spent? 856. My question is, if this is to be equally shared, they are collecting their cash equally, then how much should each give? Each one, how much rupees should give? Let's start from given. What is given? The total amount they spend. Total amount they spend. How much rupees is that? 856 what? Jackfruit? No, rupees. Next step, number of friends. How many friends is there? 4 friends. Then they are sharing that rupees. So each should give, that is the question, each should give 856 divided by 4. They are sharing that amount among that 4 friends. So we have to draw a line. Okay, 856 divided by 4. Next, 4. How many 4? That is 2. Speed up. 8 minus 0. Then down 5. That 5. Which 5? That 5. Then how many 4s are in 5? That is 1. 1 4 is equal to 4. Next, draw a line. Next step, subtracting. 5 minus 4, 1. Then down that 6. Which 6? This 6. Then how many 4s are in 16? That is 4. How 4 into 4? 16. So let's subtract, minus 0. That's equal to, it is the final answer. So let's write that amount 214 rupees